Hello friends, how are you? So today I will show you how to convert any EPS encapsulated PostScript file into the Photoshop. So here I have one EPS file. This is a symbol of EPS file. So what I have to do for convert any EPS file into the Illustrator to Photoshop, you should have one software that is called Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator. So I have already that software. So let's first open that EPS file in Illustrator. Yeah, so it's open now. Now what happened, I want to work on this EPS file into different layer in my Photoshop. So what to do and what is the process, that I will tell you. First of all, you just open the layer window into the window. This Illustrator software I am showing the only one function here, that is layer. So when you open the layer, drop down this arrow key, and you'll find there are a lot of layers are there. So it means these objects are already divided into the different layer, so no need to do anything. If it is there, then go to the file, go to the save as option, drop down this window and search Photoshop. Again I'll show you. Go to the file, go to the export and drop down this window. You will find PSD, Photoshop document. So select the PSD, and I'm in the same folder, and let me name it the PSD. Okay, so this is a PSD. Let me export this. Once you can save this file, it will be asked as the RGB, CMYK, whatever. So what I require RGB. By default you will get maybe CMYK, so I will convert into the RGB. Then this is the basic resolution. I need 150, which is really good. And then you can click on the right layers. It's very much important. You should click on the right layers and then press OK, then again OK. So it will take some time, and this Illustrator software will convert your this EPS file into the PSD file. So let's go to our folder. Oh great, so here I have one file PSD. So let's open and we can see that whether it will find all the layers separate or not. Open into the Photoshop. Great, so go to the layer window. I don't have open the layer window, and drop down this window, and you can find this all is separate. So you can easily work on that. So click on the there are two type of things are there. So you can click on the layers window, and you can easily drag and drop the things. This you can easily drag the things. You can find this different type of layers are there. Easily you can work on that. So again I'll show you with some of the easy functions on this. In this new section I will take simple layer. This is a simple layer. Let's start to make some of the things. Like I have one circle here. Let me give some color, red, and let's have yellow. Great, and take one more color. Let me double click, let me change some color. Yeah, okay, blur. Great. So I have three section. What I need this all the in my section into my different layer. So what I can do, I can create different layers on here. Control X, Control V, and Control X, and Control V or Control F into the same place. So now I have these three object in a different layer. What I need, once I will export into the PSD, I need this all the object into the different layer. Okay, so what to do, for go to the export file menu and go to the export, and here I'll give some name. PSD is there. Select the Photoshop PSD over there, then RGB, and this is write all the layers. Okay, and then press OK. Then I have find one layer, circles. Yeah, let's open this one, and what I need, it should be different layers. Yeah, so I have find this. I can easily work on that. So you understand. So if you find some of the things, some of the graphics on for in Illustrator or in EPS, you can easily convert onto the PSD. Thank you.